Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can add the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so first of all open up the settings app. In here you want to head straight for the advanced settings section. At the advanced settings, go for the languages and input. In here you want to tap on the on-screen keyboard, go for the Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, open up the preferences, and at the preferences page simply turn on the number row toggle, and as you will see now, this will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.